That is surprisingly good. So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Handy Matt. I do a lot of different things, so we're doing something different today. And the question is, are you a homesteader and you're tired of canning? You're sick and tired of filling up jars full of tomatoes and cucumbers and carrots and potatoes and beans and all those different things, and you're just tired of it. You've had enough, but you still have a big mountain of vegetables that need to get processed and preserved. Well, I got the answer for you today. Today, we're going to take some of my excess. I got another basket over here, and we're going to make vegetable chips out of it. Not potato chips, even though potato chips are technically a vegetable. We're going to make vegetable chips out of them, and I'm going to put them in my dehydrator, and we're going to dry them out until they're nice and crispy, and store them away so people can snack on them. Hopefully my kids. No, they probably want McDonald's. Yeah, they probably want McDonald's or Taco Bell. Yep, I'm the guy. I'm gonna eat all of them probably, but that's what we're gonna do today, so stick around. I'm gonna get things set up, get the camera in here, and I'm gonna get all this stuff set up in the dehydrator and turn them into nice, tasty little morsels of dried vegetables. All right, let's see how these veggie chips came out. They've been in the dehydrator for, I don't know, a day and a half, something like that. But let's see. Let me unplug it. Now I got peppers in here too, so yeah, just the two bottom layers are the veggies. Pull these out. Put that back on here because I'm pretty sure, I'll check though. There's a lot of habaneros in here. Still a little bit soft there. Yeah, those ones need a little bit more time. But let's see what all natural veggie chips are like. I got tomatoes and cucumbers in here. They're pretty dry. A little chewy. Yeah, still got a little tiny bit of moisture in them, but tastes like a tomato. That's pretty good. How about a cucumber? Tastes like a cucumber. That is surprisingly good. Yeah, I'm gonna make more of these. Let's try a tomato and a cucumber together. The thing is, I cut these things 1/2 inch thick and they're down to like paper thin. Well, you know, because they have high water content. You know, I could have put a little bit of salt on them. That would have enhanced the flavor a tiny bit. But it doesn't really need it. It's still really good though. I'm gonna have to get these bagged up. See what the kids think. Yeah. I'm doing this again. That's actually pretty good and probably a lot healthier than the chips in the bags at the store. I actually like it. Wow, I'm actually kind of surprised. It's really good. Yep, we're doing this again. But that pretty much is it for today's video. So best way to support this channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, the like button, drop a couple comments if you feel like it, and I'll see you on the next video. Laters.